In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect iPhone 17 Pro Max to Smart TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have an iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other model, you can connect it wirelessly to a Smart TV, allowing you to screen mirror and share videos, photos, music, whatever you have running on your iPhone. To access this feature, which is natively built into the iPhone, swipe down from the center to pull out the control center or control panel, sorry, and then look for this icon here. It might be in the middle, it might be all the way down at the bottom. Just look for this screen mirroring icon and select it. Something else to keep in mind is that you must have the same Wi-Fi network on your TV and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So if you haven't set up a Wi-Fi network on the Smart TV, you can do so now. Once you tap on the screen mirroring icon, the Smart TV should appear on this list. So in this example, it is the Samsung Smart TV. So all that you have to do now is just highlight the TV from the list and immediately screen mirroring will begin. Now, if this doesn't work, first ensure that you have the same Wi-Fi network on both devices, and if it is still not showing up, you can go over to the settings of your particular Smart TV model, so in this example was Sony TV, and look for Apple AirPlay settings. It might be under System Settings, might be under Connection, General Settings. Once you find Apple AirPlay, you must make sure that it has been set to On or Enabled. And finally, after that has been set up, then it is going to appear on this list. If it is still not working, then what I would recommend is to download an external application. This app is going to serve the exact same purpose as the screen mirroring menu on the control center, but it can help if for whatever reason that one is not working. So download it, DoCast for free from the App Store, open it up, and in here connect to your Smart TV. It is going to appear if you are in close proximity of it and on the same Wi-Fi network. So you choose what you want to share from your phone and proceed. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.